India have started strongly against Bangladesh in the second quarter-final at Melbourne. After winning the toss, MS Dhoni decided to bat first, and the opening partnership of Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan have started well, scoring 59 runs at the end of 13 overs without the loss of a wicket. Bangladesh are strengthened by the return of their skipper Mushraf Mortaza, who missed the last league game against New Zealand. Remember, Team India were unbeaten in the World Cup so far, but this being a knockout game, one mistake could prove costly for the defending champions. Let's now cut across live to Dhaka, where Manogya Loiwal joins us with a lot of fans and supporters of course, the Bangladeshi side. Manogya, in India, as we are showing here on the right-hand side, from India, visuals from Australia, from Dhaka, there is a lot of excitement as far as cheering for their respective teams are concerned. Just take us through what really is happening on the streets of Dhaka.
Well, absolutely, Sanket, it's full of excitement, but the way India is batting since morning, there is a sense of insecurity that has started creeping in Bangladesh, and the people have started thinking on what would be the outcome of the match. Do you feel, do you feel India will win or Bangladesh will win? Will it matter?
We will be trying our best, and I hope that Bangladesh will win this match. But India or Bangladesh, anyone win, we will be happy because India is our friend. And we will be really happy, and we would hope that one Asia person is qualified to semi-final, and you will be happy.
Well, that's a good perspective, but we also... Do you feel that the performance of the team members will be very good to perform this time, because India is batting very good this now?
Yes, but Bangladesh is anyway, is previous time, if you look in Bangladesh gradually goes up, so its future maybe Bangladesh do good way.
Well, that completely depends, but as far as the cheering of concerned, you people is concerned, ekta gaan hoye jaak, char chakka hoye hoye.
Of course, why not? Ready? Shabash, chalo. Desh, desh, desh. Shabash, Bangladesh. Chalo egiye, amar Bangladesh. Desh, desh, desh. Shabash, Bangladesh. Jao egiye, amar Bangladesh. Desh, 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 desh.
Well, who will win, who will lose, it remains to be seen, but as far as the excitement is concerned, it is still at the peak. It's known here, and the song and the enthusiasm and the momentum is at its peak as far as Bangladesh is concerned.
Absolutely, Manogya, a lot of excitement. I mean, I must admit here that this sort of excitement we have not seen from the fans here in India since morning. Perhaps most of them are busy watching the cricket match, but maybe if you could ask them who their favorite pick really is. And okay, the funny bit, if they were given a chance to choose one player from the Indian side to play for Bangladesh to strengthen their team, who would it be? Who do they admire in the Indian side?
Indian side में आप किसको admire करते हैं? Who do you admire as a player in the Indian team?
We all over know that the India team is a very good team, but Bangladesh is not a bad team. Bangladesh is
Which is your favorite player in India? Who is your favorite player in India?
I have no favorite player in India because I am in Bangladesh. So
well, no
fantastic.
Favorite players of India. It's an India-Bangladesh match. It's an all-out war, I can tell you, in Bangladesh here. It's an all-out war, and the feeling of 2007 being repeated is still sinking in on whether India will lose this time, because 2007 is when India lost to Bangladesh under the leadership of Bashar Sahab. But understanding who's your favorite player in the Indian cricket team?
This now, and Mohammad Sami. He's a good bowler.
He's a good bowler. Well, they love bowlers. I'm surprised. People in Bangladesh love bowlers and not batsmen, because maybe उन्होंने धोया ज़्यादा है बांग्लादेश की टीम को.
Absolutely, Manogya, and there is absolutely no scope for, you know, being down to earth or being kind to one another. That's really not part of the DNA at this moment, as the contest is actually heating up between India and Bangladesh. Thanks very much for getting us all the latest ground report. Let's cut across to the other side of the Bangla divide. We have Indrajit Kundu joining us from Kolkata. Now, Indrajit, I bet you would not have with you perhaps the those amount of excited fans that Manugya has in Bangladesh. But what really are the people saying over there, or have they already gone to watch the match?
Well, the match has begun and people have started watching the match right now. But what I can tell you, as we have been saying since yesterday, that as far as Calcutta is concerned, it has a different connection to Bangladesh. There are several, Bengali families who have their roots in Bangladesh. So even though most people in Calcutta, cricket fans, are rooting for India, some of course would also be having a portion of their minds and hearts for Bangladesh, for creating history and reaching the quarterfinals. I have one such cricket fan who says that her ancestors belong to Bangladesh. So you say that you're rooting for India, but your heart firmly for Bangladesh as well?
Yes, because as I have already said, my ancestors are from Bangladesh, so a little bit of my heart is supporting for Bangladesh because they are creating history. But still, I'm an Indian, so I'll be voting for India.
Wasn't that nostalgic when you heard that the two national anthems that were being played today, both were in Bengali and both have the same origin? It was written by Rabindranath Tagore.
Yeah, it's a very proud moment for us that both the national anthems are Bengali and it's written by Rabindranath Tagore, so it's a proud moment for the Bengalis.
It's a proud moment for Bengalis, hearing people speak in Bangla, as we were seeing Boria interacting with so many people out there in Melbourne. So it does give a home feel to many people here in Kolkata, but they are firmly rooting for India otherwise.
All right, many thanks Indrajit Kundu getting us all the latest from Kolkata. Let's now cut across live to Ranchi, where we have Rohit Singh joining us. Rohit, this is a very, very important location where you are standing at this moment, Ranchi, because this is the place from where the Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni comes earlier in the day, and we'll play that report also in just a short moment from now, when you were interacting with a lot of youngsters from Ranchi, from that very ground where Mahendra Singh Dhoni used to practice his cricket. Just take us through what really is the sense of excitement in Ranchi, the hometown of the Indian superstar.
Well, absolutely, Sanket. There is massive excitement here in Ranchi because the captain of the team is from this place, and early morning when I was at the Harmu ground, several people, youngsters, were there at this place practicing cricket. But right now that stadium is wearing a deserted look because everyone is now glued to the televisions indoor. And right now I am at a restaurant in Ranchi, and here very less number of people are here watching cricket. It's a slow but a cautious start by India, and let's get in a reaction from people here who are watching the match also and having the breakfast also. किस तरह का स्टार्ट लगता है इंडिया ने भी दिया है?
अभी तक जो स्थिति है इंडिया की स्थिति बहुत ही अच्छी है, और ये स्कोर जो है खेलते खेलते देखा जाएगा 300 से एबव जा सकता है। हाँ, धोनी से क्या उम्मीद है आपको, क्योंकि यहीं से धोनी आते हैं? नहीं, धोनी से बहुत उम्मीद है, लेकिन आज जो मैच की स्थिति है इसमें आज धोनी लगता नहीं खेल पाएंगे, क्योंकि उनसे पहले वाले जो बैट्समैन है उन्हीं लोग पूरा ओवर खेल के चले जाएंगे,
खेल लेंगे। ये बताइए धोनी से कितनी उम्मीद है आप लोग को?
उसी से तो उम्मीद है, और किसी से उम्मीद है तो नहीं है।
किसी से
नहीं, उसे वही तो मैन है।
कैसा लगता है जो स्टार्ट अभी हुआ है, करीब 70-75 रन हो गया 15 ओवर?
दादा पोता का लड़ाई, दादा पोता का लड़ाई
जीत जाएगी,
उसमें कोई कंफर्म है हम लोग।
Reaction, absolutely confident. The people here, they say that this win is absolutely sure and we are going to win this match, and they are now waiting for the semi-finals here.
All right, let's take a look at the scorecard at this moment. How are India performing, because they are batting first? Well, the score at this moment 72 for no loss. R. Sharma at 39, Shikhar Dhawan at 28. This at the end of 16 overs. This is going to be our top focus, and as we are reminding all our viewers, Headlines Today is the destination to catch all the excitement in both India, Bangladesh, and also where this tournament is actually happening, Australia. We'll get you, all our reporters are in fact going to get you all the excitement. Boria Majumdar from Melbourne, Manugya Loiwal from Dhaka, as well as a number of reporters from across the length and breadth.